Namhlanje izwe libungaza usuku lwamaphoyisa iNational Police Day. Umcimbi omkhulu walolusuku uzobanjelwa enkundleni yezemidlalo eBhayi eEastern Cape. Ngalolusuku umbutho ukhumbula amaphoyisa ngokuzinikela kwawo ukuqinisekisa ukuphepha kwezwe. Kusenjalo iphoyisa lase eBhayi selibe isibonelo embuthweni njengelinye lamaphoyisa asebenza ngokuzikhandla yize kunzima ukunqanda ubugebengu. Lihlabane ngendondo iLorette ezindondweni zamaphoyisa.
Warrant Officer Severiano Blandon usebenza ophikweni lwamaphoyisa lwezimo ezibucayi. Usuku lwakhe uliqala ngokugqoka ivest evikela inhlamvu i-bulletproof vest kanye nomfaniswano. Umatasa kakhulu njengoba ebizelwe egamekweni ezehlukene kepha usebenzisana nozakwabo. Lo msebenzi ubucayi kakhulu nempilo yakhe ihlala isengcupheni kodwa lokhu akumdikibalisi. Ukhumbula isikhathi lapha cishe wendela koyise omkhulu.
Started shooting at us, we retaliated. It was quite a terrible scene. At that stage also I injured my right eye due to the shooting. But at the end, one fatality, one of our main gang leaders was fatally wounded. But one of the great successes that I achieved that specific day was the recovery of 18 firearms.
Isiqubulo sakhe kulomsebenzi sithi yethemba uza kwenu.
Year 2016 I was nominated as the national winner. I received a warrant officer. And then this financial year, I applied for the same category, also for visible employee and for man of the year. And I managed to achieve that and I received various certificates and trophies. And I also won the overall winner in the province.
Warrant Officer Blandon uqokelwe ezindondweni ze-Police Excellence. Usuku lwamaphoyisa olubanja njalo ngomhla zingama-27 kuMasingana lwaphasiswa iCabinet ngo-2005.